Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Did you miss me? Flex on them. Maybe after this weekend I'll be doing a little flexing. Maybe. I gotta get my piece. GameStop's the only thing green right now, bro, other than SQQQ. It's crazy world we're living in right now. Trump was rushed to the Situation Room, if you guys don't know. Trump was rushed to the Situation Room. Also, we got massive things going on with the strikes. Market's not liking it. Prepare for downside, SPY. Red week as predicted. Told you guys. Red week, SPY. As predicted. Red week, SPY. As predicted.
JK, really? Eskimo.
So SPY's gonna have that ready week. Let's see what else we got. I'm ready to do something massive for crypto today, Trump says. Trump's out of control. I'm ready to do something massive for crypto today. I know about the crypto bill. I know about the crypto bill, but okay, perfect. NASDAQ came and filled the gap to the upside and only left gap fills to the downside. Perfect. Perfect, NASDAQ. Only gap fills left to the downside now. NASDAQ, NASDAQ. NASDAQ topping out, NASDAQ topping out, SPY topping out, red week as predicted. GameStop, green week as predicted. GameStop, we're going to get a green week as predicted. GameStop up 6.37%. Definitely going to get a green week for GameStop as well. What's this? Member for 20 long months. Ruben. Thank you, brother. We're doing a short stream today, so we didn't expect any type. So thank you, brother. So here's an update on what's happening as far as the class is concerned. I got some of the lessons done yesterday. And then, so we got some of the lessons done yesterday. I got a very good lesson done yesterday. Very, very good lesson. This class is so good. I'm so happy. Some of the videos are an hour long plus though. So I got to figure out how to upload this. And then, but half of the class is done. Half of the class is officially done. I just got to figure out how to upload hour-long content, and if either I'm going to host it on YouTube, maybe private, where I can share the link, or I'm going to figure that out. And then from there, I'm going to start accepting people into the Discord for the class. Because remember, with my class, you get access to a second Discord where you can ask questions and get answers. And you get all 10 lessons, 10 to 11 lessons, baby. The unexpected two-piece. Let's go. A two-piece a day keeps the doctor away, truly.
The unexpected two-piece. Goat key.
Goat key, that's the hardest shit I've ever heard. SPY trying to gain some momentum, but looking very weak. It's over for SPY. Shorty time. Red week, as predicted. Let's go. I'll tell you what, though. After this weekend, bro, we finna flex on them hard, baby. We finna flex on them hard, bro. As long as I gotta get this gold chain, guys. I know it's stupid. But I gotta get this gold chain. So I have a necklace that I'm looking at. I just bought some brand new clothes yesterday. And we're gonna buy a brand new pair of sneakers. And we're gonna come out fresh. Brand new sneakers, brand new clothes, brand new chain, all one day. We're gonna wear it all in one day. We're gonna flex on them. It's been a while since DZ could take care of himself. Now we're popping big shit. Hey, look at AMC trying to get over $3, bro. Let's go. Look at AMC trying to hold 302. Okay, Amy, I see you. My lines got messed up. Look at this. My line was not like this, bruh. My line was not like this. Not at all. No. I'm going to see if I can find the video or the live stream. My line was not like this. My line for AMC was not like that, bro. Yo, that's messed up, bro. My line for AMC was not like that. It was not like this, bro. Wow. Wow, look how scrunched up it is. Like, come on, bro. Weeble, why, bro? Why? Why, bro? AMC falling wedge in play. That's all you gotta know. AMC. Oh my god, look at my falling wedge line! What the f. Wow. Okay, gotta fix it. We should start pushing up. I had the perfect line, dude. I had it perfectly set. I had it perfectly set to show what was gonna happen. Get 24K. I'm at least getting 18. At least getting 18. Oh, I gotta check. Somebody emailed me about. The truth, I emailed you back, brother. If you're listening, the truth, I emailed you back. Bitcoin slipping below 104, not good. This actually looks kind of bearish. We're making lower high after lower high after lower high after lower high. AMC looks fine. We just want to see AMC close above this like $3.02, $3 right here. GameStop 23.50 is what we want to close above. Guess the options chain was a nothing burger, bro. That's very unusual. I think they got ahead of it because they were shorting shares. 6 million short shares. There's something going on. Yeah, they're dumping hard. They have 6 million short shares. Something's going on. 6 million short shares. Guys, they have 6 million short shares. So I'm going to write they're planning an attack on GME. Ladies and gentlemen, they're preparing an attack for GameStop stock. Here's why. 6.1 million short shares available to short. The whole market's red, but GameStop's green. This is devastating for the shorts. Margin calls will come into play, especially as SPY keeps pulling back and GameStop keeps holding up. And this is why they're planning a short ladder attack with over 6.1 million short shares. Be ready. Short interest sitting at 11.63%. Cost to borrow is coming down. We want to see that cost to borrow remain high. Cost to borrow sitting at 1.24%. Should go higher, though, because they're shorting heavily. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto news and predictions. Oh, he wasn't rushed to the Situation Room. President Trump reported the West Wing Situation Room multiple times. Reported to the... Okay, so YouTubers were blowing shit out of proportion. Yes, SPY getting a little bit of a bounce. I would take profit on puts. Take profit on puts. It's gonna make a lower high, but the thing is, you just gotta secure the bag. How many people we got in here? I just want to see. Why is our bit rate so low? See, I learned that 100 people in a live stream is a very good number, and we always get at least 100 people. Some of the bigger, like, Twitch streamers only get like 500 people. And then they be botting the rest. SQQQ went for that gap fill as expected. SQQQ is going bullish. You see that rounded bottom? Yeah, SPY's definitely trying to recover somewhat here. Watch out for that. We enter war at power hour. That would be insane. Did you guys miss me? I do what I want. I do what I want. I do what I want when I fucking want. Nobody tells me what the f to do. Nobody tells me to wake up. Nobody tells me when to stream. I do whatever the fuck I want. Bitch, I'm living the dream. I'm living the dream! SPY bouncing, SPY bouncing, SPY bouncing. DZ fam in the market set me free. Crypto in the market set me free. Bitch, I'm living the dream. Bitch, I'm living the dream. GME and the market set me free. Money over everything till I RIP. Money over everything until RIP. GME. DZ family, set me free. Money over till it's RIP. DZ fam, please unplug me. You know what it is. They don't want it. DZ fam, I'll keep it 100. But only if you can understand the truth. You can't handle the truth. All right, we need to see GameStop hold this line. I need to see rockets in the chat, maybe. SPY is definitely pushing up. Notice how when SPY pushes up, GameStop pulls back. I want you guys to notice that. I guys want you to notice that. SPY pushes up, GameStop pulls back. I'm telling you guys, something is coming soon where you're gonna, bro. It's all happening. When SPY falls this time, When SPY falls this time, it's going to cause the margin calls. When SPY falls this time, it's going to cause the margin calls. I was watching in the background silently. DZ family set me free. Money over everything until it's RIP. RIP. DZ family. I was watching in the shadows like Batman.
I love you, Angel.
Yeah, take profit on puts. SPY's about to bounce, not financial advice. Everyone take profit on puts now. Not financial advice, just what I'm looking at. None of this is personalized financial advice. Oh my God, I did so much random charting yesterday. Look at all these random charts I looked at. I did so many random charts yesterday for the class to show you guys how to chart. Oh my God, anybody who takes this class is gonna become an absolute monster. I cannot wait to see the product of the first person who takes the class. I'm hoping it's somebody who already trades, because I want to turn a few of you guys into a monster, and then if you guys want, I want you to join a team with me. That's the end goal. Turn a few of the DZ fam into absolute trading beast and chart reading beast like me. Then we join in together as a team. I have a whole plan, guys. I have a whole plan worked out, and it's slowly coming together. I have a few of you guys in mind that I want on the team. But the thing is, you have to take the class. And from the people who take the class, I'm going to pick who I want on the team. If you want to be on the team. And we are going to fucking trade. And we're going to make so much money that we're going to set everybody free. Our friends, our family, and everybody's going to look up to us. Because we're the ones who made it. So a few lucky DZ family members will be unplugged. Finding financial freedom. And I'll tell you what, guys. There is no better feeling to wake up and not have to worry about money, not have to worry about going to work, not have to worry about nothing, bruh. God is good, man. Now, if you guys can, there's other things that are involved, like getting multiple income streams. You want to get multiple income streams? How do I join the class? Already making a lot of money on the markets. Just want to join the team. The class is only 50% done. I don't feel comfortable letting anybody join until it's at least 80% done. Because I know once it's 80% done, I'll be able to finish the last 20% before anybody even finishes it. Some of these lessons are an hour long, and there's 10 to 11 lessons. So that's literally 11 hours. Like, that's literally, I would say, 6 to 11 hours of content that you would have to go through in order to complete the whole class. And you really should watch the lessons more than once. But once I have 80% of it done, I'm going to upload the 80% to the Discord, and anybody who wants to join at that point can join. Once the 80% of the class is done, anybody who wants to join is joined. We're at 50% right now. I have a custom trading indicator, the lesson plan, and 5 lessons done. So a little over 50%. And I have the Discord made. So a little over 50%, like 60, 65% of it's done. And I think instead of maybe trading live, I will just trade with the team. But my whole goal the whole time was to build a group of traders that we can work together and destroy this market. I'm not stupid enough to believe that I can do it alone. But if I know if I have just a little bit of help and somebody maybe who's just has a different insight or could give me different perspectives sometimes, somebody that I could bounce ideas off of, we can make it happen. And we could take this whole market for everything that it has. I'm unplugging a few lucky members. And we are unplugging from this damn system, this damn financial debt trap, the $37 trillion ticking time bomb. U.S. debt has officially reached $37 trillion. It's over. U.S. debt, $37 trillion, ticking time bomb. We just hit $37 trillion on the national debt. This is a ticking time bomb, ladies and gentlemen. They are going to use crypto to replace the dollar. There's no way around this. You cannot fix this. What up, Steve? Spectre, Info, Conkers, ILM, JR, Top Dog, 8, Nana. We out here. All fresh shit. Spy, tracking. That's the mindset that led me to where I am now. It's the mindset of a winner. So the store was closed yesterday, but I'm going back to the jewelry store today. And if that store isn't open, then I'm going to the mall. But my goal is by the end of this weekend to have a gold chain. And finish more of the class. And have a new pair of sneakers. Then, maybe we might even just announce the DZ meet and greet. That way I can come fresh to death. And that is the only liability that I'm buying. But even if I'm not buying no fake shit. So even if times got hard or something like that, I could sell the gold at minimum. So I'm not stupid. GameStop tracking. GameStop tracking. I wear my t-shirts one time, then I throw them out. I don't think you understand where I am. I spend $1,000 at the fucking gas station every single month. I don't think you understand where I'm at, son. Alright, you don't have to, guys. You don't have to. Will the class be free for Discord members? Unfortunately not, sir. Unfortunately not. The class, you get access to an additional Discord. You get access to the custom buy and sell indicator. DataZero's custom buy and sell indicator, and you get access to all 10 lessons. But that's going to be an extra $4.99.99, unfortunately. It's the biggest purchase that I will be selling, but it's definitely worth it. I would not put that price tag on it if it wasn't worth it. You guys know I'm very, very fair. I'm very, very honest. You guys know damn well the Discord should be worth way more than I charge. all of you that have been in the Discord and if you already made thousands of dollars, which I don't care, because a lot of you guys that made thousands of dollars, you've kicked back money through super chats and stuff like that. So I don't care. And a lot of you guys show love other ways. Just let me know what I'm doing right. You guys constantly show support, constantly show love, constantly press like. So I don't care about that. And also, to be completely honest with you guys, I don't want to tell you guys exactly how many people are in the Discord, but if you do the math, I've made a lot of money off of that shit. Now, yes, it would be a more sustainable form of income if I charge monthly, but if I charge monthly, that means I have to put out a play every week, and I don't want to do that. I want to put out a play when I find a play. I try to put out a play at least like once every 2 weeks, two plays a month. I don't want to force trades, so that's why you pay one time, $100, and then you get the trades that I give, also the technicals that I give out, which I'm in the Discord every day giving out information in the day trade chat and helping people. And then we're all in there helping each other as well. Unlike other Discords where other people just flex how much money they made and it's a free-for-all and that nobody's helping each other, my Discord, we're all helping each other. So it's not like you come in there and it's a free-for-all, who can make the most money so you can flex on the other people in the Discord. That's not the type of attitude we have in my Discord. So we already have a few people that want the class, and I know that you guys want the class. So I'll let you guys know as soon as it's available. And then from there, once I see who is performing the best, that's when I'm going to give invitations out into the exclusive DataZero trading team, which was the whole goal, or one of the goals of me starting this channel. The first goal was me just telling the truth, because there's so many people out here lying. Then the second thing is I wanted to start a trading team where I could work together with these guys. Nana Ape, I would make it cheaper, but I can't. It's already as cheap as it's going to be. From what I have on the class already, it's already worth $1,000, bro. I teach you how to read the charts like me and set up trades like me. So there's no way it's less than $499.99. I can't. I would, Nana Ape, if I could, but I can't. There's no way I can do less than $499.99. I teach you how to literally read the charts like me and execute trades. So that means you'll, with practice, be able to read the charts like I do, which literally turns you to a money printer. So for $500, if you invest in yourself, you can turn yourself into a money printer. Just like the $100, if you invest yourself, you start printing money from the Discord. I understand that some people like Dice XXIC might not be confident in themselves, might not want to invest in themselves, and that's why they say negative things. But that's fine. You know, this isn't meant for everybody. This is meant for the people that are actually out there trying to get it, the real hustlers, the real achievers, the real people that are taking action, the real people that are investing in themselves like I did. That way you can get to a place like I'm at. Because without investing in yourself, you're not going to ever get there. Is this going to be a one-time thing, or you're going to have... No, the class, once you buy it, you own those videos. You will have constant access to those videos. So once you guys buy the class, you will have infinite access to the Discord and all of the videos, and I have a custom buy and sell indicator that I made for TradingView. So we will be able to purchase it in the Discord. I will tell everybody when it's available. So I'll come on here one day and say the class is finished and I'm ready to start accepting students. And from there, if you pay the $499.99, what I'll do is similar to the way I let you in this Discord, I'll let you in the next the Discord, the DataZero trading class Discord. So if you access to the other one, you have access to this one as well. If you buy the class, you'll have access to both of them. So let's just for an example, okay? I will come on here one day and say the class is finished and I'm ready to start accepting students. When that is done, what I'm going to do is, if you pay, I'm going to send you an invitation link to the trading class Discord, where I hopefully will have all 10 videos inside of the Discord. I might have to host them on YouTube or a Flying Shower website because some of these videos are really, 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 really long. But I'm hoping to have them all in the Discord listed in order. Once you go through all 10 lessons, you'll learn how I learned and how I read the charts and all of the little nuances, because you can look this stuff up, but you'll find so much misinformation. I explain everything. I break it down, and I'm actually so proud of what I have done so far that I know it's going to help a ton of people. I break it down step by step from beginner, from the mindset you need to the psychology of the market. Then I go deeper into finding support and resistance levels. Then I go deeper into finding patterns and trend lines. Then I go deeper into using what indicators I use and how do I use them, how do I read them, my settings for those indicators. Then I go even deeper, showing you guys bearish divergence, bullish divergence, fundamental analysis, volume analysis, candle analysis. Then we go even deeper, putting it all together, setting up trades, how to execute these trades. And unlike other classes, I'm not just going to give you the videos and send you on your own and say, oop, hopefully you learn. No, with my classes, you get access to a Discord where I'm not guaranteeing individual help, but I will answer as many questions as possible and help people, guide people in the right direction. So you will not be left on your own. You will be in that Discord where I might even be able to do live stream sessions of additional lessons, and any additional learning content that I put out will be placed in that Discord as well. So any future lessons or classes or educational content that I make will be in that Discord as well. After this is released, I might even start moving into the educational side of things for stocks, but when I tried that, nobody watched. Like when I started teaching people how to read the charts and stuff like that, nobody cared. Now, when I tried that, I was a much smaller channel, so maybe if I did that now, it might be different. But I do want to educate people a lot more. AMC's looking really good right now. The class will come with a Discord membership, yes. I'm not leaving anybody on their own. I'm not promising spoon feeding people. That's not what I'm promising. I'm not promising individual help. That's not what I'm promising. But I'm promising that you will not be left alone, and I'm going to answer as many people as possible. Now, if you're one of the first 5 or 10 people to join, you're going to get your questions answered. If there's only 5 or 10 people in the Discord, but once there's like 100, 200, 500 people, then it's going to be hard to answer everybody. But it's definitely going to be worth it, guys. First of all, the last thing I ever want to do is scam my community. So it's going to be worth it. I never want to scam any of you guys. I've worked too hard for my reputation from you guys. You guys know who I am. You guys know that I keep it real. I've worked too hard to keep my reputation clean, to destroy it over a stupid couple of bucks. That's why you never see me shilling meme coins. Guys, I could have made so much money just shilling meme coins and all that shit. You know how many people hit me up on my email and say, I'll give you $10,000 right now to show this meme coin? But I won't do it. I will not shill meme coins to you guys. Or do you know how many people hit me up and said, I'll give you $5,000 right now? All you got to do is post one video about this new trading platform. I don't use that trading platform, so I'm not going to post it to my community. If it's a product that I use, that I know, that I trust, then I might sponsor it. But that's the only way you're getting a sponsorship out of me. I have to do deep research on the project or product and or use it myself. I'm assuming if you're buying the class, you know nothing. So that's why I start from 0 and go all the way to 100. I will collab with other channels, but it depends who it is. I'm not just going to work with just anybody. Because a lot of people, I came on here and I just seen that they were lying. And I don't like it. Hopefully GameStop finds support here. I was hoping it would bounce up. We want to see GameStop above $23.50 and AMC above $3. So yeah, guys, so if you're taking the class, you can know absolutely nothing. And I start from the very basics of mindset and what you need to win, all the way going into from the very basics of support and resistance and reading candles. And then as it goes on, it gets more and more and more and more advanced. I even explained yesterday because I realized it would be kind of slow for people that know things. I was like, listen, if the classes are slow for you right now, don't worry. It's going to get more advanced, especially once I start getting into bearish and bullish divergence, volume and price analysis, price structure, and just my overall mindset of what I'm thinking when I'm doing things. But I show you guys everything. I show you how to find support and resistance. I show you how to read candles. I show you how to find patterns. Listen, the lesson I did yesterday was over an hour long of just how to identify patterns and talking about patterns and trading patterns. Talking about the percentages that they have the chance to work. Talking about the mindset that you need. Talking about how to find patterns, how to use trend lines, all of that. Just an hour long of that. The lesson before that is an hour-long plus lesson on how to find support and resistance, and then showing you guys examples of me finding support and resistance on random charts. Taking blank charts and then start charting them out. That's what I do. Live in front of you guys on the videos. I explain everything you need to know, and what you're looking for when finding support and resistance, and I break it down for over an hour. of just talking about support and resistance by itself. So if you know nothing, by the time you're done with my shit, you're going to know a lot. Definitely won it when I finished paying last year's taxes. Hell yeah, brother. And just don't break the bank for it. But guys, I encourage you to invest in yourself, but don't overextend yourself. Don't take your last $500 and give it to me. Please don't do that. I would feel horrible. Only invest in this class if you have the $500 to spare. And then from there, I plan on picking like 5 or 10 people and then trying to make a trading team. That's the goal. That was one of the goals from day one from this channel. Find traders that I can work with. I'm going to move this down here a little bit, guys. I still think we're going to see a pop-up, but we're probably not going to 595. 98. Bitcoin at 103. Everything's pulling back, man. Everything's pulling back. SQQQ's not, though. I want to see AMC GameStop back green. I know this is going to sound crazy, but I know some of you guys think the dotted lines control price, because even though I know that they don't, I'm starting to think that the dotted lines start to control price sometimes. So I know there's one person watching right now saying DataZero can draw these lines and price follows them. Is it 99.9999999% accurate? Yes. Is there a 0.00001% I mess up? Yes. GameStop! No! We're losing support and resistance right here. We need that. Amy's not giving up, though. Amy's not giving up. Never give up. Hit is calling my net. I don't give a my money's too low. GameStop bounce, baby. Come on, bounce. I want to see GameStop bounce, y'all. Oh, that's why. Damn it. That's why it went off my prediction. Yep. Oh, my God. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? As soon as my prediction messes up, you know it's because of manipulation. They just dumped 300,000 short shares on GameStop stock, and that's why my prediction messed up. It was going to follow this. I was wondering why it dipped down so low. See, that's how you know I be on point, bro. That's how you know I be on point. The only time my shit messes up is literally when they dump short shares to drop it down lower than it's supposed to. I think it's because I've gotten so good at this. I think it's because I've gotten so good at reading the charts that my predictions are most likely right. So when they do mess up, it literally is because of outside forces manipulating it. And I have proof of that. Right here, they had 6.1 million short shares. They're down to 5.8 million as of 8 minutes ago. That means 8 minutes ago they dumped. So 510. So right around here, they dumped those short shares. Right, we were holding the line. They dumped the short shares, and then we dumped down from my prediction. It's crazy, though. It's kind of crazy that that happens. SPY showing a lot of signs of weakness. I think it's just because I've gotten really good at reading the charts, though, guys. I think that's just what it is. I don't think market makers watch DataZero, but I don't know. Maybe they do. I don't know. You never know. And life is crazy. So this is the attack I was telling you guys about. They're definitely planning to attack GME with all those short shares. SPY is dumping. Well, I guess we have to get rid of this unless I move it down. Because they dumped all those short shares. Bastards, bro. Attacking GME. And they dumped the short shares while SPY pulled back to make it look like it was because SPY pulled back. Come on, you're going to bounce, baby. You're going to bounce! I want to draw a new line. GameStop will bounce. Come on. I think SPY's going to continue heading down. I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but I think next week is also going to be bearish. I'll break it down in the weekly outlook and prediction now. Make sure you guys tune in Sunday. Okay, you guys don't have to, but we do need one new member today. You have to understand, the more they short, the deeper the hole they dig. The more they short, the deeper the hole they dig. Understand? All right, it's officially power hour. It's officially power hour. Officially power hour. We need one new member, guys. If possible. If possible. No one has to. I'm just saying.
$1 hot coffee.
SPY MACD green 10-minute time frame. SPY is still trying to build bullish momentum. SPY is trying to build bullish momentum. You know what, guys? I wouldn't change all the years I slaved as a construction worker and restoration worker. I wouldn't change it because I learned so much. I've learned so much that helps me to this day. I learned so much how to fix so many things. And like these skills are necessary because everybody lives in homes. I wouldn't change it. It also gave me a lot of discipline and built a lot of character, man. I'll tell you what, being out in that sun, slaving hot as hell, that shit builds character for real. I know that's like a corny thing to say, like work builds character. That shit's real, bro. Hard work really does build character, bro. And you start to build like a bond with your boys because you be slaving out there with your boys, man. Working hard trying to get the project done. Yo, thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the likes. Here's a gifted membership for somebody. Just cause. Spam it up if you want the membership. I'm giving out a membership right now. Just cause. I'm giving out a free membership right now. Just cause. So spam it up if you want it. One lucky person's about to win a membership. Spam it up, spam it up, spam it up. I said we need one new member. I got it. There's only a few non-members. Tyrone, Urla, Bollinger Bands. Let's see who gets it. I'm buying someone a membership right now. I'm buying someone a membership right now. And GameStop's bouncing. Beautiful. GameStop's bouncing as I give away the membership. Gifted membership launch.
It's Tampa Furniture Outlet's massive summer.
All right, gifted giveaway launch. Are you ready? Gifted giveaway launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who won? Gucci Loud! Gucci Loud! If you're listening, you just want a free membership, you get access to members-only content, access to videos early, access to members-only emojis for 1 month for free. And if you didn't win, don't worry, because we give away memberships all the time, and so does the DZ fam. SPY is going to start pulling back more, guys. I'm telling you, SPY's about to collapse, is what I'm trying to tell you guys. The rising wedge breakdown has happened, and SPY is setting up for a big move down. A big move down. I tried to tell everyone it was coming. The next leg down. The next leg down in the bear market. The bear market that no one sees coming but DZ family. NASDAQ just made a lower high. It's confirming this as the high, and it's making a rising wedge. It's about to break all the way down. I can't wait till some of you guys take this class. You're going to learn so much. You're going to learn how to read the charts like I. And then you'll know what's going to happen. Turning yourself into a money printer. They have over 6 million short shares. There's a reason why they have 6 million short shares. They're scared of something. You don't just buy all of that for no reason. They desperately do not want $23, $23.50 calls in the money. They are scared of GameStop right now. SPY is pulling back. If SPY starts falling, they've been manipulating SPY up this whole time. Nobody's buying anymore. You have to understand what's going on. They have to keep the market up or AMC and GME explode. Double R! Hey! Did you guys do your push-ups today? GameStop bouncing. Yo, GameStop bouncing. If you guys missed it, I did a giveaway for absolutely nothing. I just did it. Should I do another one? Here, I'll do another one. Watch this. I'm doing another giveaway right now. I'm doing another giveaway right now. Watch this shit. Here's more memberships. Here's 5 more memberships. Here's a 5 gifted. There's a 5 gifted for the family. Gen X, Y Gen Z, James, J Carlos, J Matt, and Lucas. All just won free memberships for a month. Don't worry, guys. I'll give away more. Don't worry. The higher I climb, the more I give back. If I do a Discord membership, it has to be a certain day so I can try to get views off of it at least. So I have to announce it. But maybe I'll do one soon. We did 2 so far. Maybe I'll do another one soon. See, they said DZ with the 5 gifted. I love it.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
I'm just giving back to the community. That's all. You guys gave a lot to me. SPY is getting ready to break down hard, bro. Red week as predicted, guys. Lock it in. Lock it in, baby. We're about to get it. All I need to do is SPY to close right around these levels and we get the red week. The only one I got wrong is AMC. GameStop has a green week. It's up 5.69%. SPY is red, so I got SPY right. GameStop right. The only one I got wrong is AMC. I think AMC will have a green week next week because we have this falling wedge. We definitely have to break out of it. So we should be good to go. We should be good for a green on Amy. If I had this falling wedge last week, I would have called for a red week on AMC. I didn't have this falling wedge. If I had this falling wedge last week, I would have known to call for a red week this week, which I'm really mad about that. I could have got a 3 out of 3, but is what it is. This is the fun part for me, trying to get everything right. That's the fun part for me. That's the challenging part for me, trying to predict every single thing right. But 2 out of 3 is not bad. I take it. I'll take it. There's literally nothing to worry about. You're welcome, bro. I got you. I got you. I'm trying to get back to the community. It's community day. This market is boring, but we're still popping. This market is boring, but DZ fam and stream is still popping. 99.999999. You need to add a couple extra 9s on there. The more 9s, the better. And I'll have people in my comments, they'll be like, this guy says, bro, this is how dumb people are. I'll literally have people in the comments, they'll be like, this guy says he's 99.99999% right. Bro, how are you so easily trolled? I'm so much smarter than these dudes. The troll goes right over their heads. It's crazy. I literally troll these people in real time, and the trolls go right over their heads. Literally had a comment that said that. They were like, this guy has the audacity to say he's 999.99% right. Bro, you're an idiot. GameStop is bouncing, bro. GameStop is bouncing. It cannot be stopped. Little do they know Datazero has inside connections, and I can just make phone calls and make price go where I want it. That's why I predict things so right. Because I have insider connections. I'm not a market maker, but I am an insider. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. If you guys haven't shared this live stream, share this live stream. Hit the like button. That's the proper amount of 9s right there, Steve. That is the 99999999999 that we need. Come on, we got to get 100 likes. We're at 72 likes. I gave away 6 memberships today. I gave away 6 memberships today. You guys can at least get 100 likes. GameStop with a small little bounce here. GameStop with a... Notice how when SPY pulls back, GameStop bounces. Notice how SPY pulls back, GameStop bounces. You're fucking alive. We have support for Bitcoin at 101 before we ever get to 94, but 94 would be the bottom in my personal opinion. We have a lot of buy orders there. I think they're trying to create a little bit of fear in the Bitcoin market before push up, honestly. Because I've been seeing people like FUDing BTC, and normally when they do that, or FUDing crypto, normally when they do that, they're trying to create fear.
BTC
Listen,
down to
all you need to
94K.
do is to know... Not financial advice. This is not financial advice. Do not get shaken out of your Bitcoin. Do not. Bitcoin is literally different than every other asset. There's only 21 million. You need to have at least half a Bitcoin or something, man. Like, at least $1,000 of Bitcoin, man. At least. That's the minimum amount you want. I'm not selling my Bitcoin until I'm fucking 50, bro. And it's gonna be worth it. I'm retiring off this shit, I promise you. I've watched my crypto portfolio just grow. Simply by buying and holding. By buying the dips and holding, I've watched my portfolio bloom. There's no other asset that has ever done that for me. Of just buying and holding. I just buy the dips. Just buy the dips. Just make smart buys. And just keep holding. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. This could be a double top though. A crazy double top. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin pulls back, I'm buying more. If I see Bitcoin go under like 70,000, I'm buying more. Where's my thing? Oh, I moved it yesterday because I was doing the class and I didn't put it back. Oh no. And I was doing all these illustrations on here. Yeah, there's a lot of buy orders here at like 102 all the way down to 86K. A lot of buy orders. In fact, we're in the buy orders right now. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I refuse. I think this fractal is going to be roughly right. We consolidate above like 95 to 100K. I think that's why we're already getting a bounce. I think the fractal is going to be right. What the f, Amy? $3, bro. That's all I want from you. They desperately do not want these calls in the money. These fucking losers. Bro's looking at the debt clock. Yes, 37 trillion. 37 trillion. 37 trillion in debt. It's crazy. It's absolutely insane. 37 trillion. Thank you, ILM, for the 2-piece. So if SPY closes, like if SPY continues to consolidate in the close, it's gonna get the red week. Amy's coming back. Come on. We really want GameStop 2350 if possible, but I don't know. They shorted a bunch of short shares on us, so they literally are attacking GameStop hard. They had 6.1 million, bruh. They ain't playing no games. They're desperate. They're scared. Make sure you guys share the stream. Share the stream. Share the stream. If you shared my stream, type a 1 in the chat. I need somebody to share the stream. Turn up in this bitch. Dripped up and draped out. Yeah, we get our cake now. Cake now. Anubis Gaming, with a gifted membership. It's Friday. I need to see my fam. It's Friday. I need to see my fam, and my fam needs to see me.
JK, really? Eskimos.
Bro, thank you for the gifted membership. Fam, what's up? It's Friday. It's Friday. I have to make an appearance. I was gonna make it that the last time you guys see me, the next time you guys see me, I'm gonna be completely draped up and dripped out. If everything goes my way over this weekend, Sunday and Monday I should be draped up and dripped out. If everything goes according to plan. Sometimes shit happens, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Today's the 20th. Oh, damn. That means that it's gonna fall on the Saturday. I don't think it will come on the Saturday, so I'm gonna have to probably wait till Monday. But that's fine. That's fine. I'm sad Bitcoin's coming down. SPY's definitely trying to find a little bit of bullish momentum here. You can see that the MACD is curling up. So that is something you want to be aware of. AMC, man, is battling. Absolutely battling. They do not want $3 calls in the money, but that's okay. Because fuck what they want. But DZ fam, I need you to drop rockets. We gotta show some enthusiasm. I'm gonna put the city on my back. I'm gonna put the city on my back right now. Put the city on my back. We gotta show some enthusiasm for Amy. If we don't show her love, she will not show love back. You guys know how this works. You know how it works. GameStop's not feeling no love. GameStop's feeling neglected. Drop some GMEs in the chat. Drop some AMCs. Drop some GMEs. Watch it just pop to the upside as soon as the rockets come. That'd be crazy. That would be crazy. SQQQ is almost at $23, by the way, so keep that in mind. SQQQ, $23. SQQQ is looking mega bullish. It looks like SPY's about to take a nasty spill to the downside when this is all said and done. But I did tell you guys that we would start seeing pullback from Wednesday into Friday because obviously market was closed Thursday, which sucks. Why was the market closed Thursday, bro? That shit was whack, bro. But it gave me time to work on my class, which was cool. Yo. Yeah, it did just pop up. It did pop up. It did pop up for a second. They're battling right now. It's a battle, bro. They do not want $3 calls in the money, bro, for nothing. They're already mad GameStop is recovering before. They're mad GameStop's recovering even before they announce that the notes are done yet. GameStop's already up 5% this week. SPY's pulling back, bro. It's over, bro. And AMC has the falling wedge. It's over. It's over. SPY's gonna fall and the memes are gonna pop and margin calls are gonna come. But this shit takes time, man. The macro takes so long to play out. That's the thing people don't realize. When I say these predictions, these are very macro predictions. Look, we're back to $3, bro. She's trying. See? If we try, she tries. If we try, she tries. How many push-ups did you guys do today? Wait a second. I thought I saw the t-shirt real quick. I was like, whoa. I thought we saw the t-shirt. I was like, oh, I was hyped. Always love to see those messages. All right, rockets in full effect for GameStop. Rockets in full effect for GameStop. We're tracking. We're tracking. Let's go. I got to do push-ups right now. I just did 25 more push-ups. You know why I have so much energy? Because coffee and push-ups. Push-ups will give you more energy than a cup of coffee. I challenge you to do 25, 50 push-ups in the morning as soon as you wake up. I bet you your whole day is productive. I bet you. SPY is slipping, isn't it? It's barcoding in the close. We're getting a red week, as predicted. So that means if you shorted at the beginning of the week and held your short all the way to the end of the week, you made money. This was a red week like I predicted. This was a red week like I predicted. And I got another prediction for you guys. But you got to tune in Sunday. If you tune in Sunday, you'll see the prediction. And GameStop did get a green week. If I had this falling wedge, I would have known AMC red week this week. I didn't have this falling wedge until mid this week. If I had this falling wedge, I would have known that this week would have been for sure red. And if I had the falling wedge way back here, I would have known that these 3 weeks would have been red. I'd have been able to call that easy. GameStop is tracking right now. Perfectly tracking. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Exactly what you want to see. All we want to see now is Amy close above $3 if possible. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Have we gotten 100 likes? Not yet. We need more likes, guys. We need more likes. Hit that like button. Whoa, we got super chats. Thank you, guys. 8 brand new members? Holy shiznits. What the... I gave away 6, but you guys did some too? Who's the other 2? Who's the other 2 memberships? Did I miss something? I missed one. I don't know yet. I'm checking. I'm sorry, Benjamin! Benjamin, I'm sorry. That's why I always check the memberships, because I miss them sometimes. I never want to be that YouTuber that misses shit like that, because that shit's important. Yo, Benjamin, thank you for the gifted membership. I knew I gave away 6 today, and Anubis gave away 1, so I was like, who's the other? It was Sir Benjamin. That held it down for like almost 2 years now. You, Ruben, Sunny GG have like the longest memberships, and I think there's a couple other people that pop in every once in a while, but I don't know anyone that has 20, 24. It's you guys that have 20 months, 24 months, almost, I think. Is anyone at 2 years yet? That's insane. 2 years solid support, cuz. I'm so grateful for that. Thank you. That's insane to me. 2 solid years. Not failing once. Unbelievable. SPY is trying to get a little tiny bullish momentum in the close, but I don't see like a big pop or anything like that. I don't see a big pop coming or anything. And I'm telling you guys, SPY's about to make a vicious move to the downside, not financial advice. I need to post it in the Discord. I'm posting in the day trade chat, so make sure you guys check it out. All right, so all the upside gaps got filled on NASDAQ. Come on, GameStop. We're fighting for you, baby. What are they doing to you? You dumping on you? Let me find out. Cost of borrow should not be dropping that much if they're sorting so heavily. Literally bought 6 million short shares. That's a lot. Yeah, SPY's trying to like curl up just a little bit here. Make sure you guys take profits and get ready for next week. Take profits and get ready for next week. Take profits and get them ready for next week because you're going to need the money. You're going to need the dry powder. Amy's back at 3. Amy's back at 3. It's literally a fucking battle right now for $3, bro. Like, literally a battle. It's a literal battle right now, guys. Bro, this is insane. We're like battling for half a penny right now. This is insane. How many minutes remaining? 10 minutes remaining. 10 minutes remaining. 10 minutes remaining. We're gonna go down to the 2-minute time frame. RSI is trending up on the 2-minute time frame. Price is trending down. Bullish divergence, 2-minute time frame. I don't look at the 2-minute time frame. There's too much noise. I only use the 5-minute, but you can read off of these smaller time frames to get like a minute picture of what's going on. I learned over time 5-minute time frame. See how SPY's pushing up a little bit here? Not gonna do much though, I don't think. You could see a little pop in the close, but I don't think it's going to be able to do much. Institutions trying to bull trap people. People are so stupid if they still think it's bullish, bro. If you still think like the economy's bullish after everything going on right now, shit's about to get so crazy. GameStop's pushing back up. GameStop pushing back up. GameStop pushing back up. Let's go. Got 120 people in the building. Wait, no. Let me see. We have over 100 people. We had a peak of like 120. Which I learned recently, 100 people is good. Being able to stream consecutively to 100 people or more. And normally we actually have 150 people. I started very, very late and it's a Friday. So normally we have even more. I can turn on the stream at any time and get at least 100 people. That's a blessing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Put the bell notification on, that way you know when I go live. Yeah, SPY, see how it's kind of pushing to the upside here? It's kind of pushing up. Like I said, see a little push up to the upside in the close, but I don't think we're going to see much. SPY is going to start falling hard here, guys, and I'll explain that on the weekly outlook and prediction, what we're looking at, price targets, blah, 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 blah. But I will explain that when that time comes on Sunday. So SPY got a red week. We're almost locked in for SPY red week. We're almost locked in for GameStop green week. There's no way GameStop doesn't get a green week. It's up 5.33%. So all I need to see is SPY. Locks in this red week. And then AMC, we're down. So that one I got wrong. 2 out of 3 for the weekly outlook and prediction. I've been so on point with SPY. It's crazy. I've been on point with SPY. For like, yo, it's crazy. Crushing SPY. Crushing it. Every pop, every drop, every pullback. Literally telling you guys days in advance what days will be bullish and what days will be bearish. And it plays exactly as. It's crazy. I told you upside beginning of the week, downside later half of the week. SPY trying to get that little pop here. What's that going to do to GameStop? GameStop's pushing up. GameStop's pushing up. We're getting down to the wire now. If SPY goes up too high, it will go green on the week. So I don't want SPY to go too high. It could pop green on the week at the last second. It's only down 0.17. So I need it to lock in this red. And GameStop's looking good for that recovery. 5 minutes remaining. Recovering in the close. They shorted 300,000 short shares on GameStop. They shorted 300,000 short shares on GameStop before the market closed. It was about 30 minutes ago. You guys drop some last minute rockets. AMC's at $3. Drop some last minute rockets. Drop some last minute rockets. Come on. Come on. Come on. SPY's trying to pop. SPY's trying to pop. SPY's trying to pop. GameStop's tracking too perfectly. Look at it. Rockets, rockets. GameStop's pushing. Oh my God, SPY's gonna try to go green on the week. I'm scared. SPY! Four minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. What is happening? What is happening? This is madness. This is madness. Bruh. $126 in the building. 126 in the building, baby. Thank you guys for being here, DZ live stream. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate you. GameStop is pushing and AMC's pushing. Amy's going. Rockets in full effect. Rockets in full effect, ladies and gentlemen. DZ fam is too powerful. They're so mad. GameStop's heading back to 23.50. They're so mad right now. They're so mad right now. They're so mad right now. Oh my God, do not close 23.50. Rockets in full effect. Rockets in full effect. If we close 23.50, oh my God, bro. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. This is it, ladies. This is for all, ladies and gentlemen, this is for all of the marbles. Rockets in full effect. GameStop tracking. SPY slight pullback. AMC, $3. Come on, get those $3 calls, baby. Get those $3 calls. Rockets, Rockets, Rockets. We're going. Rockets. GameStop green on the day. GameStop green on the day. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. GameStop is now green on the day. AMC holding $3, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Rockets in full effect. SPY pulling back. SPY pulling back. Yes. Yes. Bro, it's coming. It's coming. You see, look at GameStop moving inverted of SPY. This is perfect. AMC also moving inverted of SPY. This is exactly what we want to see. And SPY set up to pull back next week. Meme stock set up to push up. This is what we want, baby. 23.48. 2 cents away from the 23.50s. They did not think we could come back like this. I know that. They did not think we could come back like this. Coming back for the 23.50 call options, baby. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. That is it. That is it. Trading is over. Trading is over. Trading is over. Let's go. Bam. AMC closing at 301. GameStop 23.45. SPY 594.23. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the DZ live stream for today, Friday, June 20th. I want all of you guys and girls, ladies and gents, to have an amazing weekend. Tune in Sunday for the weekly outlook and prediction, where I give you guys the candle prints that I believe are going to be happening and the way I believe the market is going to be moving. SPY officially closing red on the week as predicted. GameStop closing green on the week as predicted, up 5.92%. SPY down 0.17%. AMC did miss that one. AMC closing down 4.40%. But we do have this falling wedge, which I'll explain. For the weekly outlook and prediction, falling wedge in play. And we have an amazing setup for us to start moving inverted of SPY. So I'm going to break that down in the weekly outlook and prediction. I'm going to give you guys price targets for the week as well. So make sure you guys tune in for that. That's going to be on Sunday. Thank you all for everything. I'll keep you guys posted on the class. We need 3 more likes for 100 likes. Thank you, DZ fam. 8 brand new members. 97 likes. Let's go. Good job, family. Good job. See you, Steve, Bano, Kai Supreme, Ruben. Amy, a little tiny little pop after hours. Easy, fam. I will see you all on Sunday and Monday. Put that bell notification on. That way you know when I go live. And as always, fam, the most important things of them all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. That's how you do it. And that is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. How to create a successful live stream.
Fuck you, gun.
another one.
See you, Steve. Both Steves. Oh, we got a subscriber. Sweet. Thank you. And we got 100 likes. Thanks. All right, guys. I'm gonna head on out. Once again, thanks for everything, man. I appreciate y'all. Have a great weekend, man. Take it easy, fam.